Hello. In this video, I'll be showing you how non-federal users can work with subaward reports in SAM.gov starting in spring 2025. Non-federal users will need the data entry role under the entity reporting domain to use these new features. They can also access these features if they have the administrator role with subaward reporting permission. There are two new widgets in the workspace for reporting, one for contract awards and one for federal assistance awards. For this demo, we will take a look at federal assistance awards. You can select the first See All button to navigate to your assistance awards page. This page displays all of your assistance awards in a single view. The search bar lets you enter an award ID to create or update a subaward report. Results display under the search bar. Selecting that result takes you to the subaward details page for that item, which displays a lot of helpful data from the subaward that will be used in the subaward report. From this page, you can create a new subaward report or view previously submitted subaward reports. The second See All button takes you to the subaward reports page. This page displays all of your subaward reports in a single view. As I said before, the Assistance Awards page provides a list of all of your assistance awards in a single place. The top of the page includes easy navigation buttons between the Assistance Awards page and the Subaward Reports page. You can filter your assistance awards by selecting one of the drop-downs and entering your search criteria, or you can search the list by entering a keyword. The list changes based on what you enter. The Assistance Awards page lets you choose how you want to view your summary. You can choose between a table or summary format. In the table format, simply select the entry in the table to open the Assistance Details page for that item. In the summary view, each entry has a View Award button which also opens the Assistance Details page. One of the big improvements we've made to subaward reporting in SAM.gov is that you no longer need to manually add or claim your Prime Assistance Award for them to be visible in your individual workspace. SAM presents you with all available Prime Assistance Awards based on your user role. Other users in your entity who have the data entry or administrator role with sub-reporting permission under the entity reporting domain will be able to see these in SAM.gov, significantly improving your ability to collaborate. Let's see what happens when we select an award. When the Assistance Details page displays, you can see all of the awards available information. You can use the left navigation to jump to specific sections on the page. By selecting subaward reports, you'll see all of the available subaward reports that have been created for this award. This section includes the ability to filter and search the selected subaward. From here, you can create a new subaward report. For now, we'll skip this step. Now, let's take a look at the subaward reports page. The subaward reports page has the same filter, table, and summary features as the Assistance Awards page. All of these operate in the same way. So how do you create new subaward reports? There are two ways. Let's show you how to do so from the Assistance Details page first. After you locate the assistance award you need, select the New Subaward Report button to open the new report page. From the new report page, you'll notice the Prime Assistance information is automatically populated based on the award you've selected. The assistance type is provided by usaspending.gov and cannot be changed. When creating a new report, you may delete the Prime Assistance information and select another Prime Assistance award. After you submit the draft record, you may no longer change this information, including when you reopen an existing report. We designed the data entry so you can move through the pages before completing all the information. This lets you look ahead. Just remember you cannot submit the subaward report until you provide all required information. You then navigate through the form, entering all pertinent details for the subaward. For the subrecipient, you can enter either the Unique Entity ID, UEI, or the entity name. SAM.gov will check to see if the information is the same as the Prime Assistance or if it is a valid entity. You will get an error message for any incorrect information you enter. Executive compensation has been improved. If the subrecipient has an entity registration in SAM.gov, the executive compensation data will be pre-populated on the published report but not in the data entry process. It cannot be changed from the subaward report data entry screen. You may also need to enter executive compensation. If the information isn't in SAM.gov, simply follow the workflow and enter the information provided by the subrecipient. For subaward details, enter all required information about the subaward. When you submit your subaward report, the amount you enter in the subaward amount field will be used as a check against the total award amount. If there is an issue, you will get a soft warning when you submit the report. This is a new feature that we developed to help avoid errors and duplicative reporting. If you accidentally put a future subaward date, you will get an error and need to correct it. A subaward description is also required. For the place of performance, you can select a variety of options. The first 3 options use information from SAM to populate the city, state, zip code, and congressional district if it's available. If you choose another location, you can look up the congressional district automatically by providing the street address. The street address information helps derive the congressional district, and SAM.gov does not display or use it in the submitted subaward report. For non-US locations, we have also included a way to directly enter information for them. For this demonstration, we're going to continue with a US-based entity. When you have entered all of your information, select the Next button to get to the review screen. After reviewing your information, select the Submit button to submit your report. You may see an Are You Sure You Want to Submit page. This page provides a list of all potential issues with your subaward report. These are helpful warnings to be sure that the subaward information that you are submitting is accurate. If you need to fix the report, select the Update This Report button. After you review the list, if you determine everything is okay, select the Continue button to submit the report. For now, we'll select Continue and see the Report Published page. This page includes a subaward summary for the Prime Assistance Award and how it relates to this and all associated subawards. The second way you can create a new subaward report is from the Subaward Reports tab. From here, you'll want to select the New Subaward Report button. The biggest difference from the previous method is that you'll have to select a Prime Assistance Award since you did not start the new subaward report from a selected Prime Assistance Details page. To do so, enter at least the first 3 characters of the award ID and select the award from the drop-down menu. When you're working on your reports, they are saved in draft form as you navigate through the data entry screens. So if you don't know some information or want to take a break, you can come back to the subaward report list and find it in draft status. To continue, simply select the report in the table to open it. From the Review and Publish subaward report page, you'll notice Update buttons next to each section of the report. To edit that specific section, select the Update button to be taken to the relevant data entry step. You can also continue to use the left navigation to navigate through the report as well. If you modify a subaward or make a mistake on a published report, you can modify it after it was published. Locate the report in the Subaward Reports list and select it to open the Subaward Details page. Select the Update button. The prompt "Verify that you want to update this report" is normal and ensures that you didn't do this by mistake. Select Update to continue or Cancel to quit. The report is set to Reopen status in the system. The only fields you cannot update are those associated with the Prime Assistance Award. This data is pre-populated from USA Spending and cannot be changed in the subaward reporting workflow. Every other field includes an Update button. Select the Update button next to the area you need to update. You can then submit it as normal. In SAM.gov, you can also delete reports you have submitted. To do so, navigate to the subaward reports, open the subaward report you would like to delete, and select the Delete button. The prompt asks you to confirm deletion. To delete the report, select Delete. SAM.gov sends data and any records you delete to USA Spending every 24 hours. That wraps up our discussion of how to create and update subaward reports. Most of the information in this video is also applicable to contract awards found in the Contracting widget in the workspace. Thanks for watching.